All right, this is a Toyota Sienna. I'm going to show you, this is a 2017 model. I'm going to show you, don't forget to give me a like at the bottom. I'll show you how to put up the rear seats once they're down. Remember, this is just, you know, entertainment right here. Look at your owner's manual and follow the instructions completely before doing this, and do it like the owner manual tells you to do it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I am going to see this. You see these levers right here? I am going to pull one of them up, and it pops up. And I'm just going to raise it just like this and push forward, and the seat locks into place. All right, you see the seat lock into place, and then I'm going to pull up the seat head cushions so people can have cushion on their heads, and I'm going to do the exact same thing to this one. Okay, pull it, lift it up, push it forward, it locks into place. I have all this cargo space right here. The hood, the headrests are in place, and that's how you put the rear seats back up. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.